Annabelle did not come to play. And she never does. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to be trying out for the second time. I'll tell you a little bit about that. But before we even get into that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you have all notifications for me on all. Okay? Alright. So what I'm going to go ahead and dig my hands into is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Kalahari Melon Mint Moisturizing Hair Cream, as well as the Kalahari Melon Mint Leave-In Serum. Okay, so I tried both of these. It's been some months, and unfortunately I lost most of the footage. So we're going to go ahead and just act like we're trying this for the first time. So I'll go ahead and enter a clip of the consistency of both products right now. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let me go ahead and take this off. And let's go ahead and brighten up this light. So my hair is pretty much dried out, so I have to re-wet it. And because I'm low porosity, this bottle is full of warm water. Why? Because warm water will open up my cuticles and allow all this goodness I'm about to put into it to soak into my strands. Okay, that's softened up enough. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The nice thing about this, it has the consistency of a serum. Like, I don't know if any of you use a serum on your face at all. There's a lot of serums out there these days, but it's the exact same consistency. There's plenty of slip. It's nice and smooth. It pours out just like a liquid with just a little bit of thickness to it. Now with this, I get the smell of fruit. It's not super light, but it's a manageable scent, meaning it's not going to overpower you 2 and 3 days later. A little bit of the ingredients we have. So what's new to me is a Kai or Q. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is new to me. I haven't used anything with that. Yeah. Nice. Directions: apply to damp or dry hair as needed. So it feels nice and smooth right now. The consistency reminds me of mayonnaise. I don't know if any of you guys are still mixing up deep conditioners with mayonnaise in it. If you are, then you know what I mean. Have you ever done that? Let me know in the comments. If you have ever did a DIY with mayonnaise in it. I know I did at the beginning of my natural hair journey. Okay, so for this, a little bit goes a long way with both products. Annabelle did not come to play. And she never does. If you haven't seen any of my previous reviews on Annabelle Perfect Blend products, make sure you check the description box, and I'm going to leave a link for my Annabelle's Perfect Blend playlist. Okay. See how how that brush just gliding through there now. All right now. Okay, so what to do? I was gonna do a roller set. I live in Portland, Oregon. It's gonna be raining tomorrow, so that is probably gonna get ruined in one day. If I do these, it's for y'all. Just because they're gone don't mean neglect them. We have random ball spots. That's a new one I just discovered that wasn't on that side. So this is what we're doing. Okay, I don't know what that's looking like back there, but I don't care. I got it done. I can't believe I flat twisted again, but I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. It's about 8:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, it is actually the next day and it's about hitting the 24-hour mark, so let me go ahead and snatch off this protective style to get to the protective style that's underneath the protective style. There we go. Do a lot of flat twist outs because I like to take down things fast. I don't really care about frizz. My hair frizzes naturally, so who cares? But I know that there's those watching this who really do care about it. So if you want to take your time taking these down, go ahead. But for me and mine, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the definition a little bit better now. I do have a little bit of frizziness on the ends, but that's how my hair is because I ruffle my hair. But y'all, there's no denying the shine in my hair. There's no denying how soft it is. I mean, if you could feel it. But since I can, I'm just going to relay the message. My hair is soft. You see the definition. And I still have movement. There's no crunchy hold or anything like that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this in the Updo. That is that. That is that. So let me know, have any of you tried any products at all from Annabelle's Perfect Blend? Let me know down below which ones you've tried. Have you tried either of these products from the Kalahari Melon Mint line from Annabelle's Perfect Blend? Also, are you following Annabelle's Perfect Blend on Instagram? Because if you have, you know there's a particular date that you want to stay tuned for, and that date is I think there's going to be another sale, so stay tuned for more product reviews and tutorials, demos that feature Annabelle Perfect Blend products, because I actually have an order that's on its way to me. Sure do. So stay tuned for more videos like this and others featuring Annabelle Perfect Blend products. Also, make sure, if you haven't already, get caught up on my Annabelle Perfect Blend playlist right here on my channel, OlenaRosanne. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and put those notifications on all so you don't miss any videos I am dropping, not just from Annabelle Perfect Blend, but other businesses as well. Other than that, I think my results speak for itself. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right then, roses. I'll talk to you later. Bye.